Hi, I'm Matt with MaxTow Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what's included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included when you purchase an ambient air temperature gauge. It's available with a black or white face with a green display, or a black or white face with a blue display. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm ambient air temperature gauge with a double vision analog and digital display and a brightness level button on the front. Also included in the packaging, a 9-foot sensor harness with a waterproof connector, an ambient air temperature sensor, a 5-foot power harness, a mounting bracket with the hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at maxtow.com.